is maybe the worst latte art I've ever poured in my life.
Nice extra hot.
They're the same level of quality. If I can't get this one, everyone on Charlie's comments are going to be like, Emilee's not a scumbag.
I've been wanting to do a Latte Art Throwdown with other coffee content creators for years, and I finally met with Emilee Bryant and Ben Lewis in London, and we threw down.
We're playing latte art or scumbags. No, wait, I'm not going to call your followers scumbags.
So how did it go? Did I embarrass myself in front of a world latte art champion and a 3-time UK latte art finalist? Or did I hold my own?
I'm going to pour a Pegasus.
I'm going to try to pour a Pegasus, and then I'm going to pour a hollow.
Then I'm going to pour a hollow.
Oh. And then I'm going to pour a hollow, and it's going to be terrible.
That's right. It's too much milk. I'm just kidding. Part of latte art
I love this.
Case.
Damn, here's the competitive Emilee coming out. You're so different when you're not helping.
I sold my soul to the latte art devil, and it comes out sometimes. Nice. So you need to get an amount of air first, and that's the idea. You gotta get the air in first. That was a little more than I'm just joking. Handle in. Light, light, light. Okay. You start with the big wing, little wing, right? You said? Okay, you took them out.
Big one first.
Big one first. Cut over the side. Okay, and then you do the one behind. Yep, that makes sense.
And we're going to do a little cloud.
A plant.
Cloud.
Oh, a cloud.
Sorry, I'm copying.
No, you're great. This is great.
And then body.
Okay, body.
And then I'm going to do a little bit.
Oh, the neck.
Just
Yep,
a little
yep,
bit, yeah.
Yep, yep, yep. And then you do the tail.
I like a nice
Curvy tail.
wiggly tail.
And then you do the leg.
Leg.
And then you do another leg.
Leg.
Okay, and then you do a leggy.
Damn.
Damn. Oh, I like the
Oh, it's like a little
hook.
hooky leg.
Nice.
I like a prancing unicorn.
A prancing.
Yeah.
Like
And then you draw up the neck, and it's just like a seahorse. You just do the little face, right?
Actually,
And then you do a little flick for the... Nice!
Damn.
Damn it. The latte art devil inside me is a little intimidating. Okay.
I feel more bad about shit talking you when you're going to do yours for a minute now.
Oh, no, please talk me. I don't want any special treatment.
That's great.
So is this your first time doing latte art?
It is. So then you're gonna fill it. Oh, a little foamier. A little
We are.
foamier. We're gonna do little wing, big wing first.
Big one.
All right, so we're gonna go in here, and I'm gonna do actually a big one.
Big one, cut. Turn,
Ooh, really?
little wing. Then we're going to do the bit at the bottom.
Yeah, you do like a
Straight line. Through the good body. Lovely. Ooh.
And then what do I do?
Oh, I didn't realize we were allowing adaptation. Okay, fine.
Too much. Oh no!
Oh,
It
so
drug
close.
right through. Oh man. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to fix that. Here, I'll
Right,
go
just
back.
do the two little.
I don't want to. Okay. I want to do another
That
one.
is top tier.
I want to do another one. I know I can do this. I ran out. This is awful. It's a
World
dinosaur.
champion Emilee Bryant, ladies and gentlemen.
I actually can do a Peggy, but I messed up.
That is not the
That's
worst.
not Pegasus, that's a...
I started
That's Cthulhu or something.
That's Cthulhu. As soon as I did this angle, my picture drug into it.
So like this one,
Yeah.
because you said you were going to go right for the middle, you were so far away that immediately there's just like loads of milk going in. So I fill it up way more. It's like the first
That's
thing.
right. That's right. Makes sense.
When I watched the like six,
That makes sense. So I had just like I had a little bit too much.
like fill up to like there.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow,
this is-
that was thoroughly bad.
That's fine. The student is becoming master.
I mean, I'm still a student.
I meant Charlie.
Not all about you, Emilee.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna go. I'll go away.
I want you both to be roasting me the whole time.
Unlike how you supposed to be.
Oh, I was 1 second behind you. 1 second.
Oh man, there's some cake in here because I smell that bakery. I'm just joking. There's another not baked. They're not baked. I'm just silly. It's not silly.
I'm not gonna be able to do this.
All right, let's see it, Chuck. Let's see it. Great book so far.
Nice and extra hot.
Looks
Good,
a lot
good,
better
good,
than
good.
the coffee.
Nice and extra hot.
That's really nice. You can definitely see it steaming.
Yeah, you can serve this to my nan. She'll love it.
All right. Remember, you got to do the wing first. You got to fill up way more, though, apparently.
Thanks, Emilee.
Ah, what a treat. One,
Oh, that was great. You have way too much in your mouth.
I know.
Don't try to do a fancy tail.
Yeah.
Shh, you didn't promote me that much.
Sorry.
That's great.
That sucks. God, awful. He's doing something. He's doing something.
Wait. Okay. Oh, the hoof.
It's alright. It looks like a flying bus so far.
Smart. You did tilt and fix to correct that. This is actually, I gotta be honest, I kind of want to redo, but I'm not gonna get a chance.
I love it. I love it when you put the actually in front of somebody's achievement. It's actually.
This is really good. This is really good. Oh man.
Is it better than Cthulhu?
It is, it is. So this is the before and after. This is when it's in the sky, the wing is detached, so it falls and it crashes, and this is the second before the obliteration.
Yeah.
I would say that's second place, yeah.
Because of your training.
Emily somehow got 6th.
I did somehow get I think I've disqualified myself. See that? Yeah? One day you'll get there. I'm just checking it.
Nice.
How hard?
Charlie, you want to go
Very good. I want to go third because I'm scared.
Do you know what they say? Oh, I left you a soggy puck.
That really got me.
I think I'm gonna win this competition.
Me? I'm hoping so, because I'm very competitive. Mine was super cold, which is why it sat there.
Oh, right, and it's still, whereas, yeah,
Yours is
bubbly.
the hottest. No more. I'm just kidding. That's great.
I actually don't believe you're helping me. I feel like you're actively trying to beat me.
I only give bad tips. You have to establish a full base. It should look like Pac-Man about to eat a donut.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's too good. Get that full base. Oh, wow. Yep. Keep going. Ooh, okay. No, not bad. Not bad.
Not bad.
Do you know what happened is the base didn't come all the way up around, so you can pinch it in. But that's a really great job. That's not as bad as my Pegasus. They're the same level of quality.
Okay.
Charlie,
My turn.
you gotta go.
Oh, jeez.
You know what's awesome? This.
Good God.
Look at that vortex. Look at that churning milk.
Alright, I'm in cafe.
I'm not at home anymore. Oh, that's good.
Ooh.
Good. Not bad.
Oh!
Not bad. Oh, too deep, but that's
Too
okay.
deep, but I tried.
Sit down. I think like if we had to go that for that, that for that,
Did I win?
for that. Actually, you're kind of like more well-rounded.
You are the peach chef.
Guys, just remember, champions pour like this, non-champions pour like this. I'm just kidding, this is great. That's right, you took all my advice and you stole it. Now that they've all kind of died except for these two because they were so cold and unserviceable, make sure to vote in the comments from what you saw earlier and make sure to vote for yours truly.
Yours truly being Charlie, because it's his channel.
It's my channel.
Damn it.
But honestly, go and follow, is it Barista Benji?
Barista Benji.
Barista Benji on Instagram and Instagram.
It's just my name. Oh, on Instagram? Instagram. On YouTube, it's Emilee Bryant.
On YouTube, it's Emilee Bryant, yeah.
Yeah.
This has been awesome. Thank you guys. This is like a dream come true.
It's been fine. It's been good. Thank you.
So who else would you like to see on Latte Art Throwdowns? And let me know in the comments who you think was the most improved, because that's the only metric by which I have any chance of winning. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.